There's something that took place yesterday that kind of went unnoticed. It flew under the radar, but it is something that we need to be talking about. We need to be paying attention to. We saw the largest day we have seen since May. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, hit that bell. Again, that's free to do. That'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And we're going to dive into what this means for the price of ADA in the near term, why this trend is very important. So yesterday, we know was a good day in terms of the price of ADA. We know it was a good day for the crypto market in general. We saw a lot of green throughout the space, but there is an entity or certain entities that were on the heavy accumulation yesterday, taking advantage of huge opportunity in the market. And that is whales. We've talked about whales before. People have said, oh yeah, we need to follow the whales. We need to follow what the big money is doing. And for the most part, when it comes to ADA, whales have been on the buy. Most whales in ADA are long-term, long-minded people, and they have been accumulating during this bull market cycle. But yesterday was significant because this was an addition, a net flow that was positive of 218 million ADA. This signified the second largest day, the largest day we have seen since May of 2024. But even more importantly, this is the second largest day of inflows or net flows we have seen in this entire bull market cycle. That is a huge move that's taking place. So why is this happening? Why are whales accumulating right now? Well, when we look at the ADA price, obviously we're seeing a lot of this foundational support like we've talked about. Again, ADA price does not want to break lower. We're trying to obviously confirm higher lows here, higher lows. We're trying to build and show how much strength ADA has. And it's done a very good job of it so far. And right now it looks like not only is ADA getting ready for this next move to the upside, it looks like BTC is as well. Now, if we look at what happened last time there was these huge additions, the largest day of additions by whales was May 30th during this bull market cycle. And when we look at where ADA was at that time, you guys can see back here, ADA was building a lot of great support right around that 43-cent range. You guys probably remember that. And it looked like ADA was getting ready to make its breakout here, right? We were going to be trying to break to the upside. In fact, I think ADA was broken out at that point. Yeah, we were broken out of our downtrend. And BTC at the same time was loading up for this push to a new all-time high. All right. So you guys can see BTC rebound here, creating a big bull flag, trying to have its breach. But unfortunately, we ended up creating this double top and correction in the market. But the whales saw what was happening here. We were above our 20-day. We were building support. We were getting ready for this breach. Okay. So that's why whales now are seeing a huge opportunity down here. Again, we're back in our opportunity zone. We look at what BTC is doing. We're at our 20-day moving average. We're getting ready to try to make this kind of slingshot move again, similar to what we did back then. The great news is obviously there's a lot of room between the top of our trend and where we're at currently here, right? But the big local focus for BTC is actually its 20-week moving average, its bull market support band, which is right at about 60,004 or so. Okay. This is the big area that BTC is trying to get back to. But I think the most significant thing overall is this is all taking place while that time frame to when the market is going to break is approaching quickly. Okay. We're now, again, only about 18 days away from when we have historically seen BTC go on a run, the market start to move to the upside in a big way, alt season, right? Sometime between the next 18 days to probably 30 days is when we should see that move. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but big money didn't get big by being dumb. All right. They're paying attention to this time frame. They're paying attention to what's happening in the market. They're paying attention to the sentiment shifts. They're paying attention to the bigger macro factors like rate cuts, for example, that could be significant catalysts for the market. They're building their position while there is such opportunity in this space. Hopefully that makes sense for a lot of people, right? Because this is a trend that you cannot ignore. The second largest day during this bull market cycle is something you can't ignore. You can fluff it off, just say whatever, it doesn't really matter, but it does. It really does. I appreciate you guys as always. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know what you think this is going to mean for the price of ADA in the near term, but have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.